Today we're going to show you how to install your center console overlays on your Tesla Model 3. Included in your kit are 2 center console overlays and your felted squeegee. You have your top section, center console, a little more triangular trapezoid shaped. You've got your center section, more squared, and your cup holder section. One we have here today is carbon fiber. We also have wood grain and brushed aluminum. The wood grain finish is going to be a little tackier than normal. So start by peeling off your overlay. It's okay if you touch the backside. Keep your paper backing, and you want to lay down your overlay kind of halfway on, kind of little handle there. Line up your top 2 corners, the upper section of the console, and just gently tack those 2 corners. Put your paper back, let that lay. You need some adjustments, just reach under. Need some adjustments, just reach under the vinyl and set your lower 2 corners. Take your squeegee that came with your kit, squeegee from the center out. You may need to hold on to it so it doesn't flip up. This piece is fairly straightforward, one of the easier pieces of the console to start with. Your middle section is just like the top section. Just split the difference. Paper. Line up your top 2 corners. Gently tack those. And flip your paper. And again, just squeegee from the center out. You can flip it up to tuck the edges if needed. So your cup holder section is going to be a little tricky, just on the left and right sides, skinny area there. Start by peeling back half of your overlay and then the other half. Again, save this paper. Place it about here on your console. Just lay that down gently. Again, your wood grain finish is going to be a lot tackier, so you will need to give it some forceful snaps to untack from the console. So this part, you want to just gently set your top section of your console, your top 2 corners. Just kind of gently lay those on there. Those are lined up. Pull your paper. Just gently set the outer rims of the cup holder section. Kind of want to get them to lay in there as natural as possible. Just kind of let it do its thing. Set your border gently. You can see kind of just like a little tap. Tap method works great, just to make sure you're set all the way around. Again, just use your squeegee. Just a medium pressure from the center out. Just be careful not to bunch up the vinyl. Don't bunch yourself up. Center out. A little lifted here. Again, flip your squeegee over. Just use that side to push that in. Contours down the cup holder area a little bit. A little firm pressure, a little bit of heat can help. Just make sure all the air is out. there you have it. There is the carbon fiber center console overlay in carbon fiber. Again, if you order the wood grain, it is a lot tackier than the carbon and brush finishes we have available. Just take your time. You may need to use a bit more of the paper backing on the adhesive side so you don't get too much tack and the tack's not too strong. Thank you again for ordering. Good luck. Give us a call if you have any questions. Vinyl Styles. vinylstyles@gmail.com. Give us a call, 650-275-2124.